Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today is day 18 of the small account challenge. And guess what? We have a red day and it's perfectly fine. And the reason why it's fine is because it was a small loss. And I always want to pat myself on the back when I am practicing good discipline. So if you guys been watching me for a while, I've been trying to get my discipline in check. And so far I'm doing very well. And gotta give myself a pat on the back. If you want to grow an account any size, it could be big, small, medium, you need good discipline. And anything in life, if you want to excel in life, you need to have good discipline, right? And that's where I'm trying to head. So while I'm making money, I want to also implement good discipline, and that's what I'm doing. But anyways, if you guys made some money today, put it in the comment section. You lost some money today? Put it in the comment section, and if you see anything in my recap that I could do better, or if you have any advice for me, let me know. Put it in the comment section. All right, so we're gonna chop it up. I only traded one stock today, MEDS. Got a good entry, but it just didn't want to break out. I think it had news and it had the right criteria. It just didn't play out how I wanted to. Kept my stop very tight, and yeah, red day. I think I lost $30, and then with commission it probably was $35 or so. But yeah, come on, let's go. Come on, follow. We're gonna chop it up on the chart. All right, so let's go. So the first stock and the only stock that I traded today was MEDS. I did have a couple stocks on watch that I was looking at. At the time when I was trying to trade them, they didn't give me any good opportunity. The market was recently, the market is being very slow. So I had VRAX on watch, and the time period that I was trying to trade it, basically in the beginning of the morning, there was nothing really eye appealing to me, and that's why I only took one trade today, because at the time when I was trying to trade, there was nothing interesting. I was watching this. I was also watching what's it, AMPX? AMPX, I wasn't watching it. I just found it late. It did make a move, but I found it late. So let's put that in. AMPX, which did make a move, but I saw it late. And yeah, so let's check out what I traded. So I traded MEDS, and MEDS was on my gap scanner. It was gapping up very nicely. And as you can see, we had a pop in the beginning when the market opened, and it called for a good entry, but I didn't like the price action, so I didn't take the trade. And when I say I didn't like the price action, it went all the way up, then it came back, like basically like almost like it came back down, retraced the whole move a little bit, then went up. So I didn't really like the price action. And the first trade I took was at the price of, what was it? I got in at 143, right? So this was around 947. So 947 around here, I jumped in for the break of the first candle to make a new high, and I got in at what, 143. So 143 right here. Price went up and it came back down. The reason why I thought it was going to continue going up was because we had the support right here, and it kept holding support. So I'm thinking, okay, this is looking like it wants to go higher, or make the next move up. So I got in for the break of this first 1 minute. Price came down, consolidate. We got a quick dip, then pop, and it went to a high of what, 146. And I'm looking for this break of either the retest of 47 going to all the way to 150. And as soon as it came to the top right here, it got rejected, and it just started to consolidate, and then I exit the trade around 10:06. I held it for a while, 10:06 right here, and basically when it came down here, so it popped up. No, it came down a little bit. When it came down here, I basically got out at 137 right here. So that was like a 6 cents loss. So that's not bad. So I kept my loss tight, and I'm perfectly fine with that. And as you can see, these two, don't worry about that. This is just the demo account, but this is the real one. So negative $30 and keeping everything tight. So I'm not mad about it. And like I said, I give myself a pat on the back when I practice good discipline, because as you guys know, this is a small account and I have to keep my discipline in check. And even if you have a big account, you have to also keep your discipline in check, because you can lose a lot of money if you just trading recklessly and not having a plan, or a stop loss, or max loss, I should say. So you guys definitely need to keep your discipline on check, just like how I am, right? So that's the only thing that I really traded today. After that, I got up like around 11 o'clock, went to sleep, woke up, and I didn't go back on the computer. So I didn't trade anything else. So tomorrow I'm looking for better opportunities, and hopefully tomorrow we have a couple better opportunities to make some money. And yeah, I'm ready for tomorrow. Good discipline, and hopefully you guys have good discipline too, because you don't want to blow up your account. So guys, that's it. If you guys want to join the Key Life gang, you already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, show me some love, smash that like button. So also, if you want to see the strategy that I use each and every day, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. There's a video that I did that shows you the strategy that I use almost each and every day, so go check that out at the bottom. And it's Key Life Trading. Peace.